Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this episode we will be learning how to create a free TradingView account using your mobile device. If you are looking to get started with charting and market analysis, then in this quick video I'll show you exactly how to create a free TradingView account in just a couple of minutes. Open your TradingView application on your smartphone, or you may also go visit tradingview.com on a web browser. After you're in the home page, make sure you find the menu button at the bottom right and click on Sign In on the next page. Now, if you've already got a TradingView account, you can sign in using your Apple ID, Google account, email, or username options. You can also choose the Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and Yahoo account to log in. If you want to create a new account since you don't have one, tap on Sign Up at the bottom of the screen. In the Sign Up page, you can choose whether you'd like to sign up with email, Google, Apple, and other social platforms such as Facebook and Yahoo. I'm going to choose the email option. On the next page, depending upon your choice, you'll need to enter your credentials. If you've chosen the Sign Up option with email, you'll need to type in an email address in the text box. Make sure you type in a valid email and then create a username for yourself on the next field. Now, in the Password tab, choose a strong password you'd like to set for your account. After you are done, click on the Create Account button, and soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new account for TradingView. Make sure you open up your email and you will be welcomed from TradingView. That means you've successfully created a new account. You have now access to free charting tools, watch lists, and basic features. No credit card is required for the free plan, and you can always upgrade later if you need more features on TradingView. And that's how you can easily explore the markets using TradingView for free. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.